Uh, First of all, I asked you to install Navisworks yesterday, right? And I think on Wednesday. Have you all installed the Navisworks? So hopefully all of you install. Okay. So for today, I will give you a little background for Navisworks and also some on how to use it. Okay. I will share you some videos and then uh, I will explain some and then let's do we check on how to browse the Navisworks. Okay. And then for Fazli and Hadi, since you are MC for 2 days, please finish the exam, and please submit by tomorrow. Is that okay?
Okay.
Uh, I Please watch the recording for the yeah by tomorrow. Okay. So please watch the video so that I mean the recorded one so that you know how to do it and also the simple way on how to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Please try to catch up. You see, I think the exam you took about we doing it for 3 days, right? But for next exam, I mean for electrical, fire pro, and domestic, maybe I will just give around 4 hours to do it, okay? Because just now, yeah, I just graded based on how you model, okay? And also how you finish it. But next time, I will add on how much time you need it. I mean the accuracy, okay? Okay, one more thing. As I discussed this one last Tuesday or Wednesday, some of you are not around, okay? But I want to repeat again, okay? uh, First, you know that all of you are graded not only with the exam, okay? But also with the uh, attitude, technical knowledge, punctuality in class, okay? So, as you know, before uh, you are 16, right? In your batch. Now I think you are 9 left. Okay? For me, I want you to pass all. I will do my best on you to learn the Revit and Navisworks efficiently. Okay? And some technical knowledge. Okay? But the attitude, I mean, the punctuality, that one is up to you. Okay? Um, what else? Okay, I think we start. Actually, for today, it might be uh, something like boring with this because it's at first it's quite hard to figure out or understand this one. Okay, but let's see how. For okay, for introduction on Autodesk Naviswork. This is a software used in the building. First of all, did you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
And also, do you hear me?
Yes, can hear you.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so Autodesk Navisworks software is used in the building information modeling workflow to review 3D designs. This means to review, okay? The software enables you to review and mark up models from different disciplines, okay? Navigating the model is a crucial part of efficiently reviewing a BIM model. In this chapter, you explore the user interface and uncover constructability issues using the standard viewing tools, orbiting, and camera settings. Okay. So learning objectives in this chapter, discover how to use Autodesk Navisworks to manage a project, examine the user interface, and understand how to use the part most effectively. Okay. Identify the constructability issues in a model using the standard viewing tools. Then improve your ability to walk and orbit around the model. Okay. May I ask if someone of you know what is Navisworks, and also if you know what is the main use of Navisworks? Just an idea. Wait. Okay. So next.
We don't have to think about it personal for because like thinking about that means we have to go to the properties of the statue. Then you have to define you have to go and see. They wanted to explain. They teach you how to think maybe. Um, for now you don't have to think about the if you have more okay, because this one is more detailed because then you have to think of it. But this one you have to indicate and then you have to change properties. Yeah, then if you I want you to explore. Okay, I want you to go with me.
Kapitan yung mga ginagawa.
Okay. Wait.
No, but usually in infrastructure, this one is doesn't have any features. The reason why they use it because of the services. You know, it will be interior design. So you put this, you put this space so that there's a space for it.
Oh, okay. It's in the wall.
Yeah, it's a wall,
Yeah.
something extra space so that we have any space to.
The parking area.
Okay. So I think some of the items are not. So this is for chapter 2, consolidate trade models. Okay. So in this chapter you will learn how to open, save Autodesk Navisworks software specific files. Okay. And then consolidate a model using files from different types of software. Okay, different types of software. But for us, most likely, we just need the Revit, right? Which is from Revit, we export it through NWC. NWC. Later on, I will discuss this one. And then set the units for an appended model. Align the models. Okay.
That's why. Yes.
So for chapter 3, okay. And our objective in this chapter is to save scenes for later reuse, section the model, and set up viewpoints. Okay. Actually, not all these chapters are so important for us. Okay, because some we don't use it in Revit. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Can you open your Navis now?
Wait, I'll prepare your PC.
And also, please open your uh your the one you submit for mechanical.
Oh, no. Okay. Are you using Sun for your previous company? Okay, so they just actually deliver this.
So this is my mechanical. Please open also your plan. And also the Navisworks. Okay.
Send me your so that I can give you access to to Revit everything.
For the Navisworks, okay, I'll give you videos. Can you please yeah, correct, Mingjing. Later on, we use the Revit file. I mean, the Revit for Navisworks. Sorry. Mingjing, open the Revit file and also the Navisworks. Revit and Navis are different. You see, this is the Navisworks. This is the Revit file. Okay. Navisworks only. Pong.
Double config. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Right now.
Okay. So can you please watch the video I share with you? So this one takes around 17 minutes, 16 minutes. Okay. Mingjing, no. Just open the Navisworks. I mean, just open, not the file. Okay. Sorry, before you watch the video, wait, Uh, can you please go on your Revit file? Okay. Please listen. And then go with your 3D view. Okay, go with your 3D view, and please duplicate again. Okay. Pong, you don't need to open Revit file in Navisworks. Okay. Kasi this one is now I'm currently explaining on how you export the NWC file. Okay. So try to duplicate the 3D view. Then name it NWC. And then try to expand the views so that all of your elements are turn off the links. Okay, please turn off the links and also the CAD. So most probably I want to see something like this in your 3D view. I mean on your view for 3D view. Okay, are you done? Now how to turn off the links. So Hadi, use on your visibility view. Okay, go in Revit links and then turn off. And also in imported categories, turn off the AutoCAD.
Sir,
Yes.
Fazli,
Yeah.
I got problem when I do that. Can I share my screen?
Okay. What is it?
It become like this.
You need to expand your views.
Expand already.
No. No. The expand it. Going. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So for Pong, duplicate with detailing. Okay. Now you have the 3D view. Okay. Actually, you can name it export NWC. Okay. This view is to export to NWC so that you can use that one on Navisworks.
Cannot see your screen.
Sorry. Wait. Yeah. Wait. So this view. Okay. So this export NWC. This is the one we will use on NWC. I mean NWD. Okay. So what we need is this file, and then export, and then you see this one, NWC. Can you check if you have something like this? I'm not sure if you have the exporter already. Can you check? Don't have NWC. Oh. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay, give me 5 minutes. I will try to find out on how. Actually, Fong, that is the one I tried to search now. If we have exporter, need to download. Okay, just wait. I'm not sure if the trial version have it. Guys, can you try to download this one? Oh, sorry, wait, I'll show you. Can you check this and then try to download? This one, how to install Navisworks. Jing, please try to check this one, okay? And then how to install Navisworks exporter. And then try to click this one and then try to follow these steps.
You said that they give you the Autodesk account. What is your Autodesk that you're using for the software? The now one or the one before you they give you the one China. Like what? Client or?
Have you tried it?
Not now. What? I meron na later on we can use that one to sorry.
Supposed to be after installing it, you will have like this. Let's try. Let's check. I'm not sure also why you don't have it. Maybe because trial version only. I'm not sure. But let's see how first. Sorry. Maybe copy. Yeah, I think that one. Can you please try the one I share with you, guys?